Hi, I'm Kristen, and this is my little blacksmith shop. I found it on Itch. Link is gonna be in the description. Don't know a lot about it. It's a blacksmith sim. Let's see. Pick up, right click, throw right and left click at the same time. C, crouch, shift, run, rotate object, alt control with object in hand, zoom object, right click plus scroll wheel, interact, left click, menu, escape, parts, radial selection, Z toggle. I'm not sure what all that means. Oh, that's surprisingly low res. Okay. And WASD to move, which, oh, do I, oh, that is a very shiny round mallet for how square and bodiless I am. Shop closed. Click sign to open, enter shop. There's a dagger. Is there a dagger? Okay, yeah, there's a dagger up on the wall. A weird N variant 2 and a polearm variant 1. Oh, here's some grips. Oh, what's all this? Cooled copper ingot. Can I... whoop whoop. Okay, and now do I hit it? I hit it, right? No. Read first. Radial selection, Z toggle. This will allow you to choose which part is being created on the anvil. Blade. Let's make a blade. Or blunt, or something. Can we just fucking make something? Sorry, I had a long night. I'm a little salty. Okay. Place order. Like there, wow, there's really not. Oh, okay, wait. Do I have I don't have a body, but I have a full shadow. So that's interesting. I wonder how that works. They really make you work for figuring out how to do stuff. 1 ingot bar equals short blade. 2 ingot bars equals blade or hammer. 3 ingot bars equals great blade or hammer. Click on part ingot to choose its shape. When on anvil, click again to cycle it. Well, do I have to hold it and press Z? And then... I am so confused. Right click to pick up the parts and drop them on top of each other on the table to combine them. When completed, bring the combined weapon to a customer to display over the table. The table? What table? This table. Oh! You mean the fucking oven or kiln or whatever it's called when you're blacksmithing. The forge. So put things on the forge. Sure, let's do 2 fucking ingots. And turn it on. It's not cooled anymore, bro. Okay, let's turn it off. Okay. Now I have to bring it over to the anvil and start hitting it. We know what we're making, right? Is it gonna let us choose something yet? Okay. Can I keep hitting it? Oh, cool. Oh. Okay, it's just gonna cycle. Ah, hey. Oh, hey, hey. Come back here. Get. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's heat up another one. Okay, now I'm starting to get the feel for this. Let's just put you there for a minute. Okay, now it's heated. Can you go on the anvil, please? Thank you. Like, do I have to put, like, stack them? No, okay, that's how it stacks. Just please turn into something. Heated copper regular blade. Ooh. I was promised a hammer, but I guess that works. I will put these out here to sell, I guess. Okay. Gonna bring this thing. It's probably not even ready to sell, but I don't know what I'm doing. There's not a lot of tutorializing in this. Okay. Let's open the shop. Hello? Please come buy something. Am I allowed? Can I just leave and go talk to him? Hello? Let's go talk to people. Fuck all this hammering stuff. Let's wander and talk to people. This is actually kind of a nice style. Like, I wish this pretty style that everything's in was kind of continued onto the shit we're making. Can I run? I don't really remember run. Oh, I can jump. That actually seems to be a bit slower. I want to talk to you. Please don't leave. I'm just gonna follow. Oh, well, never mind. He is with Sirius Black now. Hello. Can I? Okay, no, I can't talk to anybody. No, I don't want to go through there. I'm gonna die. Let's just go back to my shop and wait, I guess. This is a little staticky. So if you're hearing that, that's just the audio. Okay, so I guess I will wait for somebody to come by my shit. Wait, okay. How to play. Pick up and connect each part together to make a weapon. Each assembly must be completed on the crafting table. If you don't like the result, bring your weapon to the anvil to disassemble. Once completed, bring your weapon to the inventory area and the customer will grab the... Oh. I guess I don't have a completed weapon. Will you let me close, please? Can I... Click on sign to open and close the shop. Okay, well, that's probably just as well. No, don't hit it. Okay. Oh. Oh god, now I feel like a dumbass. Okay. Will you just get out of the way? Okay, you're not gonna combine? Oh, okay, I'll just sell this. Okay, I guess I'm not close enough. Shop open! Okay. Let's just sell one thing. Let's sell one thing. It's credits. How to play got turned around. Okay. Okay. This is an alpha build. Please report any bugs. Okay. I try to avoid alphas in incomplete games, but I don't know how to filter itches as well as game troll. That's okay. If you enjoyed this game and liked this, well, okay, yeah. So it doesn't really tell me anything about selling, and there's not really any assurance that that's set up. It's very pretty outside, though. Let's just go look outside. Let's just go. Does the shop close when I leave? No. So I could probably just wander off and get robbed, conceivably, but I don't think there's a lot going on right now. I mean, I don't think there's anybody to rob me. So this has been, my little blacksmith shop. Looks promising. I'm curious to see it when more is implemented. Found it on itch. Link's gonna be in the description. I've been Kristen. Please go check it out. I mean, if you like, right now it might just be a, like, make weapons sandbox, but some people like that. Anyway, I've been Kristen. If you liked this, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks. Bye-bye.